Discover the amazing weight loss and health benefits of red tea. A common mistake many dieters make is not taking into account what they drink. The truth is, the fluids you consume can have just as big an impact on your waistline and your health as the foods you eat. Of course, for dieters who are serious about losing weight, that means no more soda and no more alcohol. But what about green tea and black tea? Are these teas good for you, or can they actually cause you to gain unwanted weight? The answer may surprise you. You see, most people think green tea, in particular, can help you lose weight, not gain it. But that may not necessarily be the case. Several studies have shown that green tea does not affect weight loss. For example, a study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2009 found that green tea extract did not affect the resting metabolic rate of 12 normal weight men. Meanwhile, a Cochrane review of green tea research found that green tea led to only small, statistically insignificant weight loss in overweight or obese adults. The review also noted that regular consumption of green tea didn't help people keep weight off. In addition to these alarming findings, there could be another problem: if you are putting sugar into your green tea, that could be a source of extra calories that you are not accounting for. According to experts, people who are frequent tea drinkers may consume up to 300 calories or more a day from sugar alone. So what about black tea? Black tea is actually burnt green tea, and it is full of caffeine just like regular green tea. Ingesting too much caffeine can cause heart palpitations, nausea, vomiting, and jittery feelings. Even if you drink decaffeinated green or black tea, the decaffeination process destroys much of the natural ingredients. It makes more sense to drink a tea that naturally contains no caffeine, like the tea I'm going to reveal in just a moment. Another common problem with black tea is that it is often taken with milk, which slows down the absorption rate of valuable antioxidants and polyphenols. Surprisingly, skim milk slows this process down at a greater extent than whole milk. So if green tea and black tea are not ideal for weight loss, what should the responsible dieter drink? The answer is found in the jungles of Africa, where Kenyan tribesmen drink red tea to eliminate hunger pangs while they hunt for their next meal. Red tea not only gets rid of hunger pangs, but it also promotes fat burning and boosts energy without relying on caffeine. That's right, red tea is caffeine-free. Red tea is basically the perfect health drink. It's refreshing and tasty and can be served hot or iced. It helps clear toxins, it reduces fat-storing hormones, and it promotes the production of fat-burning hormones, all while naturally reducing stress and balancing insulin. We have spent years studying the benefits and side effects of each of the 5 unique ingredients that go into red tea. It's these ingredients, which can be found at the local supermarket, working together that makes red tea the ultimate metabolism-boosting, fat-busting, energy-revitalizing drink, and these ingredients are not found in green or black tea. Red tea is caffeine-free, vegan and vegetarian-safe, dairy-free, gluten-free and sugar-free. It's a great alternative to caffeine, with absolutely no jitters, so flushing fat away is safe and rapid. Red tea also contains no fats or carbohydrates. The flavor is mild and slightly sweet. One more thing about red tea: it has no oxalic acid, so there is no risk of kidney stones, unlike with black and green teas. It also has very low tannin levels, so it's much better for you than green and black teas that have high tannin levels and can bind iron. One great thing about red tea is that it is packed full of powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative damage caused by toxins in your body. These antioxidants are scientifically proven to have an antibacterial, antiparasitic and antiviral action to boost your immunity. The bottom line is, drinking delicious red tea not only halts hunger but can also reverse the harm caused by the built-up toxins in your fat cells, thanks to its powerful antioxidants. That's why I believe that red tea could be the breakthrough that many people struggling to lose fat have been waiting for. This delicious red tea requires no doctor's visits, no lectures about losing weight, no expensive pills, no starvation dieting and no intense workouts. And best of all, it helps eliminate harmful fat by working with your body's natural fat-burning metabolism, without you feeling any cravings or hunger pangs at all. Imagine enjoying the foods you love, steak, a beer, or even a dessert, completely guilt-free. Imagine living a life free of expensive prescriptions and endless doctor's visits to renew the pills. And imagine feeling good and living your life without obsessing about every single calorie you eat. All while knowing your health is being protected by one of the most powerful natural healing red teas ever discovered. That's what is possible with the new Red Tea Detox program. Utilizing red tea along with several myth-busting diet rules, this program can help you lose up to 14 pounds in just weeks. With the program, you get everything you need to lose weight, including the red tea recipe and all the sources for the 5 unique ingredients, which can be found at any grocery store for pennies. You also get a complete 14-day meal plan that includes recipes for satisfying, delicious snacks to halt any cravings instantly. The meal plan covers 4 phases: the Red Tea Detox Phase 1, days 1 to 5, the Red Tea Detox. Phase 2, day 6, the Red Tea Detox. Phase 3, days 7 and 8, the Red Tea Detox. Phase 4, calorie restriction based on BMR. The Red Tea Detox Exercise Plan, which has the potential to almost double your fat-burning results. The Red Tea Detox Willpower Motivation and Mindset Plan, which dispels the common myths about willpower and makes sure you stay motivated to lose maximum weight. The Red Tea Detox works equally well for both women and men. It also doesn't matter if you have a lot of weight to lose or just a few pounds, it can quickly help you achieve your weight loss goal. This program is ideal for anyone who is concerned about their health, especially if you are over the age of 35. Anyone who wants to lose stubborn fat around their belly, butt, and thighs. Anyone who wants to lose weight without feeling hungry or unsatisfied. It doesn't matter how stubborn that belly fat has been. The Red Tea Detox can help you lose unwanted weight in record time. You'll rebalance your fat loss hormones and unblock crucial metabolic fat-burning steps, so you can control your fat-burning and fat-storing hormones and do it as easy as 1, 2, 3. To learn more about this powerful program and how it can help you lose even the most stubborn fat, click the first link in the description. No other detox program contains these 5 unique ingredients scientifically proven to unlock stubborn fat cells, release hard-to-lose fat deposits, and flush fat away. Your body uses multiple steps to release fat naturally. Even if just one step is blocked, your fat loss will grind to a halt. This gets crucial the older you get because you are more likely to have one or more of these steps blocked. The Red Tea Detox system unblocks all these steps, that's why it is 100% guaranteed to help you burn fat and lose all the weight you want. Click the first link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and subscribe today, and hit the notification bell for more informational videos.